Hey, how's it going everyone? I'm back again and I've got a new product to review. Now, before I get into the product, I'd just like to mention a t-shirt I'm wearing. Mental health is not fake news. A company sent me in this t-shirt. It was actually a company that hired me to do a video for them, and so I thought I would give them a nice shout out on the channel. So if you're interested in picking up one of these t-shirts, mental health is not fake news, go ahead. The company name is Voices, and I'll leave a link to them in the description below. But anyway, back to the product. I was sent in this product, portable nebulizer. Now I do have to mention that the company did send me this product for free, but I'm not being paid to make this review, so it is still my honest opinion. So what exactly is this product? Well, from what I can tell, I mean, a nebulizer, it's for your lungs, right? So for your lungs, and it helps you, breathe better and so forth. So this is it's quite interesting. It's from a company called MaxKare, and the product name is Aerogo. Very nice. So how about we crack it open and give it a good test? Okay, so the packaging feels very nice. I mean, it's a nice simple box, has the product on the box itself. It's not really much about it. Yeah, the box is pretty basic. There isn't really much explanation of the product, but let's crack it open, see what we get. Now, I have never used anything like this before, but oh my, wow, I wish you could feel this bag. That is the softest material I have ever felt. Woo. Hell, I'll buy it just for that. That was incredible. Wow, okay. Alright, so what do we get? We get a USB, standard mini USB cable. I'm assuming that's to charge it. You get this, as I mentioned, absolutely incredible to the touch bag to put it all in. Oh wow. I want everything to feel like that. Alright, so you get all the warning cards and user manual and user guidance, so all the typical stuff as well. You get what looks like a mouthpiece. Now I'm pretty sure, yep, that's a mouthpiece. And here yep, so it's something you can, actually strap to your face. Very interesting. And I'm assuming the nebulizer itself is in here. So let's have a look. Oh, wow. Wow, look at that. That is really nice. That's a really, really nice product. I gotta say, the way they designed this. Oh, everything. It feels compact, it's got a bit of weight to it, and it's so beautifully made. Okay. This is very interesting. Let's open up this and let's give it a go. Let's see what it can do. Alright, so let's have a look at the user manual. I think it's pretty simple, and hit the button and it will basically produce a nice sort of steam almost that you can breathe in, and kind of helps for asthma and all sorts of different things. Now this is the actual product. Now I can't tell you how good and how well made it is. I mean, but I'm sure you can pretty much tell from the camera. Little things like even a charging port's got this little rubberized cap there, and it's just the materials they used are really solid plastics, and like the buttons are really well made. Everything just feels absolutely fantastic. It's a beautiful looking thing, and it's not very big, as you can see. Very compact and got a bit of weight to it. This is a very beautiful product. On the operational guide, now this is where it's catching me out a little bit. 1. Preparation. 1. Music downloading. A. Connect the product to the computer via the included USB cable. Move the music on the computer to the product, and then disconnect the product from the computer. Music of MP3 format or WMA format within 8 megabytes can be stored in the product. What? Why music? I'm sorry, I'm very confused what music has to do with it. Okay, I'm gonna do what they just said. I'm gonna try and put some music on it. This is the right manual, isn't it? What? I'm very confused. I'm not gonna lie. I am extremely confused. Puts liquid medicine, obviously, depending on whatever condition you're trying to treat. Obviously from a doctor, you can put in the medicine and water, but you can also just, you know, use water and yeah. So, okay, I'm gonna grab my laptop to put some music on it and some water. I don't know, we'll see. Okay, I've loaded up a random MP3 onto the nebulizer, blah, blah, blah. Let's give it a shot. Right, let's fill it up with a bit of water. Very careful, only a little bit. Ooh, there we go. Perfect. All right. Whoosh. Short press power on, long press music on. Short press equals power on, long press equals music on. All right. 1. Maybe that song I added is, I don't know, too big. That's quite interesting. Let's try it with the nozzle. Just like that. Now, I thought it would be really warm, the steam, but it's not. It's cool. Yeah, it's like cool mist. It doesn't, I thought it would be like hot steam. It's quite interesting. I wonder if you could put some nicotine in it and use it as a vape. In terms of the music, I really want to figure out this music. I'm going to connect it again, put in maybe a different song. Maybe it'll load. Maybe it's just like a short little clip or something, because the song I put in was quite long. Let's try it with the music. Long press music. I'm very confused when it comes to the music thing. I can't seem to make it work. Guys, I don't know what to tell you. Maybe this one's faulty. I really don't know. I don't even understand. There's no speaker from what I can see. There's literally no speaker, so how can it play music? I don't know. But let's try the different mouthpieces. Right, let's take this hat off. Excuse the hair. You know, lockdown life and all. Right, so which way is this going? Good like that, okay. Hook it up. Oh! Wow, that's pretty cool. Ooh, I quite like that. Very good, very, very good. Good stuff. Oh, that's nice. I gotta say, it's refreshing. That's the way, I mean, obviously it's meant to be used more for, you know, if you have a certain medicine you need to take. I'm kind of abusing a medical product here, but it's just water. But it's refreshing to have that mist, you know. It's like a cool breeze into, like, you know. Oh, it does help with your breathing as well. I'm gonna try it through my nose now. Oh, do you know what I'm gonna use this for? Because I was having a hard time figuring out why would I use this, because I don't have to take any medicine as such, you know, and I was having a bit of a difficult time figuring out how can I use this? What can I use it for? What benefit is it to me? Would I buy one? Do you know what I mean? And I figured it out. This would be absolutely perfect. I suffer from hay fever, and believe me, when it gets bad, oh, nothing can touch it. You know, no antihistamines. I try everything. You know, nothing can touch it. The only thing that can kind of stop my hay fever for a little while is literally plugging my nose. You know, putting tissue up there so nothing can go up it. This, on the other hand, I can imagine being very effective. Now, I'm a little bit sniffly, but I can feel it opens up everything. So, this mask is way too small. I think that's for children. Gotta go this mask, especially with the mask option. So, you know, you say you suffer from hay fever, strap this on. Oh, it's like instant relief, you know. It's like, because you're just purified, misty sort of water and steam and air. It's just sort of like clearing out all those little particles, all those, you know, all the pollen. Oh, this is so good. I actually really like it. I'm becoming addicted to sniffing water. Oh, that's really good. It's a shame about the whole music thing. I have no clue. Like I said, I've long pressed it. I've put music on it. What's my verdict? Well, like I said, I didn't know what to use it for. I didn't know what I could possibly use it for. I actually think this is great for, you know, if you actually need something like this, and you know, for medicine, yeah, absolutely, it does what it says. It's really good. But for me, I don't have any medicine I need to take, so I don't know. But I definitely think this will help. It's just sort of cleared this area, you know, and I can imagine this being very good for hay fever sufferers to get that little bit of relief. Now, you know, when you're at home, it's portable, you know, pop it in the little beautiful carrier bag along with the mask. Take that in your bag or in your car, whatever. If it's acting up your hay fever, you know, whip it out. All right, you'll look a bit weird. People will probably give you a few strange looks. What the hell is he doing? But it looks pretty professional. Like, no one's going to really question it, you know, because this looks like you know, a medical device, which it is. Strap that on. You don't even need these straps. Just, you know, take a hit, man. Take a nice hit. And yeah, kind of clear away all that pollen, give yourself a bit of relief from the hay fever. That's what I would say I personally would use it for. I want to thank the company MaxKare for sending me this in. I do think it's a pretty cool little device. I really like the way it feels. It does what it says. It's decent. I think it's very well priced as well. I will leave a link to it in the description below. Go ahead, check them out. Any hay fever sufferers out there, I think you might get some much needed relief with something like this. So that's the MaxKare AeroGo. AeroGo, that's the one. MaxKare AeroGo portable nebulizer. Really cool stuff. Go ahead, guys. I'll leave a link to it in the description. Go check them out. Give them some support for sending me in this product. But that's about it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this review as much as I enjoyed making it. Go ahead, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. I've got a lot more stuff coming out very soon. In fact, there's a whole bunch of boxes over there which I need to go through and review, which I'm going to be doing and uploading very soon for your entertainment. So yeah, hit that subscribe button, turn on channel notifications, and until next time, feed your mind.